your parents have ever done. My mom was a very good singer. She was a soprano, and we grew up, and they would tag us along whenever they sang at a wedding. And my dad would also do the piano. I think the most embarrassing they've ever done was my mom lost her voice one time. Yeah, when she was singing, and the bride was about to walk down the aisle, and she lost it because she had a sore throat. And my dad just stood up and said, can we have another singer? And everybody. So I remember that, and I think that was the most embarrassing one.
Wow.
Yeah.
You know that.
Yeah. But I'm the eldest, so that I know.
But my mom sang at the wedding. As a soloist.
And can you sing as well?
My mom sang at the wedding.